In the last 3 episodes, we have discussed what is a prop firms. We have also discussed how you can buy a trading account, and also I have mentioned in the latest episode, that is episode number 3, what are the mistakes you need to avoid before taking a trading prop firm account. So far we have understood all the fundamentals which is required to trade in a prop firm, but in today's episode I will be exactly showing you how you can connect your prop firm, which is Supertrade Prop Firm, and how you can connect that prop firm to the MetaTrader 5. So that is going to be an important topic, because MetaTrader 5 is going to be an app. It's going to be a mediator through which we are going to take a trade. So watch the video completely till the end and do not miss out any single step, because if you miss out, then you will be missing out a complete detail. This is going to be a crucial step. So before starting today's video, let me just tell you, I'm not your financial advisor. Make sure you consult your own financial advisor before investing in cryptocurrency or any other market, because cryptocurrency and any other market is subjected to risk, and trading can make you lose entire your money. So make sure you consult your financial advisor. And now let's get into the point. So first and foremost, guys, you can see on the screen we will be logging into the Supertrade Prop Firm. So I hope you guys have purchased an account size. If not, then you can watch this video, understand how the connecting of Supertrade to MetaTrader 5 works, and then after that you can purchase any account size. The link is given in the description. Make sure you tap on that link, and whatever the account size, whatever the account type, you can purchase it using that link. So over here, if you come into the accounts overview section, as I have already shown in the previous videos as well, that I have purchased $50,000 worth of account size. Now what I'm going to do is that I'll just tap on this dashboard button. So this is the dashboard. So now what I need to do over here in the dashboard is simple. I just need to tap on this credentials button. So once you just tap on that credentials, you will be given bunch of informations over here. So these informations are going to be very important. Make sure you save it somewhere, just in case you lose an access or something like that. Make sure you write it down so that you can get an easy access and fast access. So first things foremost, there is something known as login. You will be given some number, so that is your login ID, and then you will be given master password. So how do you use it? So first things foremost, over here there are multiple options to download MetaTrader 5. So if you're using an Android phone, you can just tap on this button. If you're using iPhone or iOS, you can just tap on this. If you're using MacBook or Windows, you are aware which device you're using. So since I'm using iOS, I'll just tap on this button. Now over here it is redirecting me to the Apple Store to download this app MetaTrader 5. So I'll be just tapping on download. So once you download, make sure the app will be looking somewhat like this. So first and foremost, do not tap anything over here. So that's why this episode has been made for you. So just tap on this close button, then come into this section which is known as account section. You can see over here it is known as accounts. Come over here, and then there is something known as a plus icon or a plus emoji. Just tap on that. Now over here what you need to do is that you have to write Supertrade, or else you can go back to the dashboard of Supertrade. You can see in this dashboard it is shown as server, and server is Supertrade. You can copy, just tap on this copy button and then paste it over here, and it will be showing somewhat like this, Supertrade Limited. Just tap on that button. So once you just tap on that, it will be giving somewhat like this. Now you have to enter login and password. So what do you have to do? I'll be letting you know. So you have to note down your login ID, and then you have to copy this master password. So master password is what your password is going to be, and login ID is going to be your login credentials. Just input your login ID over here and password over here, and then just tap on sign in. So once you just sign in, it will be looking somewhat like this. You will be redirected into this particular page which is known as trade. In the trade page, you will be shown some things over here. It will show your balance, what is your current balance, what is your current equity, what is your current free balance which is available for trading. So everything is 50,000. Since we have not taken any single trade, this episode is only to show you how to connect and how to set up your MetaTrader 5. So our balance is 50,000. Now what we need to do is some settings we have to adjust over here. So now once you come into the account section, you can first of all see over here your name will be visible, and then your login ID will be visible, everything, and your server is also shown as Supertrade, which makes sure that we are in the correct account. Now we can get started, but we have to do some settings. For that, what we're going to do is that we will first of all come into this button which is known as quotes. So once you come into the quotes button, you can see there will be bunch of stocks, bunch of FX pairs, or you can say many of the trading pairs will be available, such as Euro USD. This is a forex pair. Then you have British Pound USDT, and then you have USD JPY. Now since we are not focused on forex, we will be focusing on crypto because our page is mainly about crypto and you are mainly about crypto trading. So how do we add crypto? Because we cannot see Bitcoin, we cannot see Ethereum in this list, we cannot see BTC, we cannot see Ethereum. How do we add it? It's very simple. So in order to add, just tap on this particular search section, just tap on that, and then it will give you this option. It will give you forex, stocks, crypto, metals, indices, everything it will be showing you. So since we are going to take trades only based on crypto majorly, so we will be just tapping on crypto, and inside crypto we will be having multiple pairs such as BTC USD, BTC Euro, Dash USD, Dogecoin USD, and Ethereum USD, and Litecoin USD. So I'll be choosing only 3 of this because only 3 is useful for me: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So I'll be only trading only through these coins in crypto. So I'll be just selecting this, and then I'll just tap on back option. If not back option, you can go into any other page. Now if you come into the quotes page again, and you can check over here, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin has been added, which makes sure that our coins are now ready to trade. But wait, there's still a catch, there's still some information you might be missing out. So now I'll just tap on Ethereum over here. So once I just tap on Ethereum, you can see the chart. So once the chart is loaded, you can see the first thing we have to adjust is the time frame, because right now the current time frame is 1 hour. All you can do is just tap on this button, which is written as H1. For you it might be written as M1. So just tap on that button and you have to select the time frame. You can select the day time frame, and you can also change it to 1 hour time frame. You can also change it to 5 minutes time frame based on your trading strategy. If you are a scalp trader, then you will be trading majorly on 5 minutes chart or 10 minutes chart or 15 minutes chart. You will be trading on that particular time frame. But since I'm going to take trades purely based on swing trade, which means my trade is going to run for a few days, so I'll be choosing H1, that is 1 hour trade or 4 hours time frame chart. So I'll be choosing 4 hours time frame for now. And now what I can do over here is that I have to read the market over here. So how do I read the market? You can take a help of tradingview.com. that is an application to read the chart by technical analysis. I'll be happy to share in the upcoming video as well regarding how to do a technical analysis. But now let's understand what are other features in the MetaTrader. So now in order to take a trade, first thing we have to do over here is just tap on this trade button, and then what you have to do over here is that there is a button over here which is looking like this. Just tap on that. Now we will be understanding few things. So there will be multiple options: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit. So the more important feature which we are going to focus is buy limit and sell limit. So buy limit is nothing but you will be choosing a lot size. For example, if you want to choose lot size as 0.01, you can adjust that as well. And if you want to buy at the price of 2,800, if you have done your analysis and you feel that Bitcoin is going to come at 2,800 and then it will go up, then you can set that limit. And if you want to keep a stop loss at 2,775, you can do that as well. And if you want to keep a take profit at 3,000, you can do it. And then you have to take on place order. So I will be not taking trade now because I have not done any research. I'll be taking a trade based on technical analysis in the future episode. So this was how you can buy it. If you want to sell it, that is short the trade, the same process, but the reverse the process over here. Now let's understand that you don't have time to do all this and you're a scalper, you want to do everything immediately. Then you can just tap on market execution and you can take a trade immediately just tapping by buy by market or sell by market based on your analysis. So that's how the market price works. And then if you come into the history section, you can be able to check out what are the trades you have taken through Supertrade, and every single options will be shown over here. As well as if you come into the dashboard of Supertrade, you can clearly see over here what is your max daily drawdown and what is your max overall drawdown. Every single information will be shown over here, and whatever the trades you have taken, it will also be shown over here. Just in case if you can't find on MetaTrader, it will definitely show in the Supertrade dashboard. So this is how you can exactly connect your Supertrade to the MetaTrader 5 application and how you can start trading. So this was the basic information about Supertrade dashboard and the basic information on how to set up your MetaTrader 5, because if you miss out this information, then it is impossible for you to take trade, then it is impossible for you to get a payout. So in the next episode, I will be taking the trades live. We will be starting phase 1. So in phase 1, we will be taking trades. I'll be showing you how you can do technical analysis, basic strategy. I'll share how you can take trades on the basic and the easiest strategy. It's going to be fun. So I hope you have liked the episode so far. So this is the end of the 4th episode. We'll be meeting you in the next episode, guys. Until then, take care. Goodbye.